In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find out what's changed with edit and version history in Google Sheets. This feature is incredibly useful for anyone who works with spreadsheets regularly, especially when collaborating with others. Knowing how to navigate the version history can save you both time and effort, allowing you to track and review all the modifications made to your data. Let's dive into this practical tutorial. First, you'll want to open your Google Sheets document. Once it's open, take a look at the top menu where you'll see various options listed. We're going to start by clicking on the File tab. This is your gateway to a variety of settings and tools within Sheets. Hover over File, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. Scroll down until you see the Version History option. When you find it, click on it. This is where you can really start to dig into the changes made to your document. After you click on Version History, another menu pops up where you'll need to select See Version History. This will lead you to a detailed view of your document's change log. On the right-hand side, you'll see a timeline that lists different dates and times when changes were made to your sheet. Each entry in this timeline represents a distinct saved version of your document. This feature is particularly handy if you want to revert to an earlier version, or simply review what's been altered over time. Now, once you're in the version history view, you'll notice that certain dates have a small drop-down arrow next to them. These arrows indicate that there are multiple changes recorded within that specific date. Clicking on the drop-down arrow will expand a more detailed sublist of changes. This allows you to see the multiple iterations that occurred on that day. By examining these individual changes, you get a clearer picture of how the document has evolved. This brings us to the end of our tutorial. By following these steps, you can easily access and review the entire edit history of your Google Sheets document. Understanding how to use version history effectively can greatly improve your workflow, especially when multiple collaborators are involved. It can also be a lifesaver if you ever accidentally delete important data or need to clarify what changes were made and when. Remember, the ability to track changes in detail is one of the strengths of Google Sheets, making it an indispensable tool for any data-driven project. And that's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you've learned how to efficiently navigate the edit and version history in Google Sheets. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you manage your spreadsheets more effectively.